So tell me, Oliver. Hello,
Yes, hello, teacher.
Oliver, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good. And how was your day?
It's a good day.
It's a good day. Okay. What is that, Ollie? What is that?
Like,
Okay. Um, so Andy, how are you, Andy?
fine.
And how was your day?
It's a good day.
It's a good day. It's a good day. Okay, that's good. I like the fact that you guys are having a good day where you are. Okay, so we're going to continue from where we stopped, okay?
Yes.
And in our last class, we stopped at the opinion practice. Today, we'll continue with the opinion examples. Are you guys ready? Um, Ollie, please read the supporting opinion. Read the supporting opinion, Ollie.
Yes, children need to do chores. First, children can learn important skills such as cleaning and cooking. They can also learn about teamwork and helping others. All these skills can help a child become a hardworking person. People who work hard usually have a better life. Second, parents will have more free time if their children help them with the housework. Then the parent will have less stress. As a result, they may want to do fun activity with their children.
That's good. Now, Ollie, please tell us, what do you understand from what you just read? What do you understand from what you read?
I understand children can learn important skills such as cleaning, cooking. They also learn about teamwork and helping others.
Okay, that's good. That is very good. So, obviously, this is the main idea of the supporting opinion. The main idea says children need to do chores. And it has two supporting ideas, which says the first one says children can learn important skills such as cleaning, cooking, and others. And they can also learn teamwork and how to help others. Okay, so these are important skills children learn if they do chores. Now, the second reason is that parents will have more free time if their children help them with the housework. You see, a lot of parents are always doing the housework on their own. But if the children can be supportive of the parents will have enough free time, they will have less stress, and as a result of that, they may want to do fun activities with their children. Do you understand, students?
Yes,
Okay, that's
yes,
good. Andy, please read the opposing opinion.
yes. Korean children should not do hours, but students should use their free time to play outside with friends. Korean children spend too much time indoors. Do the joy at home. They use danger, dangerous chemical. It's more important for the children to get fresh or they usually don't do the chores correctly. Most children hate doing homework, so they try to finish as quickly as possible. As a result, parents do all the at home.
Okay, that's good. Andy, this word is housework. Housework. Say it, Andy. Housework.
House,
Housework.
housework,
And this word is air, fresh air.
air,
Fresh air.
fresh air.
Okay, that's good. Now, Andy, please explain to us what you read, what you just read. Explain to us what you just read.
So,
Explain to us what you just read, Andy. You see what Ollie did, how Ollie explained. Can you explain to us what you just read?
I don't understand.
Okay, so if you want to explain and you want it easier, you start with talking about the supporting idea of the opposing opinion. And the supporting idea of the opposing opinion says Korean children should not work. So you see, while this one says children need to do chores, this one says children should not work. And it gives us two reasons. Two, the first one says students should use their free time to play outside with friends. Korean children spend too much time indoors. So that is the first idea that students should use their free time to play outside with friends. So instead of spending too much time indoors doing chores, it is better for them to play outside with friends. The second one says children usually don't do the chores correctly. Most children hate doing housework, so they try to finish as quickly as possible. And then at the end of the day, the parents still need to do the chores all over again, and it is a total waste of time. So it says instead of the Korean children doing the chores, it is better for the parents to do the chores perfectly themselves. So do you understand, Andy?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Now, Ollie, please circle the main idea in the supporting opinion and underline the supporting ideas in the supporting opinion. Andy, circle the main idea in the opposing opinion and underline the supporting ideas in the opposing opinion.
Idea in the opposing opinion. First, should read time outside and somewhat indoor. Um, underlies supporting opinion. For children can learn important skills such as cleaning and cooking.
No,
They
Andy,
also
Andy, no, no, no. You see what Ollie is doing? I want you to circle the main idea in the supporting opinion and underline the supporting ideas in the supporting opinion. And Ollie, why do you keep circling and removing it, circling and removing it? Use your pen that is, don't use disappearing pen. Use the pen that stays, okay?
yes.
Ollie, you keep using the disappearing pen. That's a disappearing pen. Click on the first pen, the first pen. The first pen is not disappearing. Click on the first one instead and use that one, not the disappearing pen. The second pen is the disappearing pen. Hmm. Ollie, after T, The next one is the pen. And when you see the pen, you click on the first pen. So Andy, what are you doing? Circle the main idea and the supporting ideas.
Mm,
Andy, that is all his own. Why are you? Do yours. Yours is the opposing opinion, Andy. Well done, Ollie. You are correct. Andy, it's your turn. Circle the main idea in the opposing opinion and underline the supporting ideas in the opposing opinion. Okay, that's good. But Andy, next time when you're circling, circle it in a way that people will not mistake what you did. Now you circled like this and you included this part. Whoever sees it will think that is what you're doing. Instead, it's supposed to be like this. Okay? Now we'll move to the next one, which is the discussion questions. Please tell me, Ollie, do you think doing chores is dangerous?
no, I don't. Because
Okay.
it's easy,
Okay,
easy
because
to do.
okay, easy and hard.
Easy and
Dangerous
hard.
should be, hold on. If you say doing chores is easy, the question should have been, do you think doing chores is difficult or do you think doing chores is hard? Now, the question is, do you think doing chores is dangerous? So your answer
Um,
should be
it's
no.
safe.
Yes, that is correct. Oh, you're a smart boy, Holly. Well done. Okay. Um, Andy, do you think doing chores is dangerous?
Mm, no, I don't.
Why?
Mm, because it's uh, so much. It's so hard.
Okay, so doing chores is not dangerous, but it is hard. Now listen, dangerous. The opposite of dangerous is safe. Safe. And then hard. The opposite of
Hard,
hard is
difficult, or
either
easy.
soft or yes. Now, the opposite of easy is this difficult, right? Difficult.
Yes,
And the
difficult.
opposite is easy.
Easy.
So when I ask you, Andy, do you think doing chores is dangerous? If you think doing chores is not dangerous, your reason should be because doing chores is safe. Okay? If I had asked you, do you think doing chores is difficult? You could say it is difficult or it is easy. So answer the question again, Andy. Do you think doing chores is dangerous?
No, I don't. Because it's easy and hard.
Ah, how can it be easy and hard at the same time? Because it
Mm,
is, Please reply with saying, because it is safe to do chores. Say it.
Because it is safe to do chores.
Now, Andy, please tell me, do you think it is important to know how to cook?
Yes, I do.
Okay, why?
Mm, because it's very easy.
Okay, Andy, if I say, do you think it is important to know how to cook? You should talk about how cooking, you said yes, that means you should talk about how cooking is important to you. So you can say, because it is a practical skill that I can use in the future. Do you understand, Andy?
Yes.
So please answer the question again. Do you think it is important to know how to cook?
Mm, yeah, you talk about important you.
Please repeat the answer. Repeat the answer.
Yes, I do because it's a practical skill that I can use in the future.
That you can use in the future. That is correct. And Ollie, what about you? Do you think it is important to know how to cook? Ollie?
Yes, to know how to cook because it can help me in future.
Say it again, Ollie. I didn't get that.
Mm. Yes, I think it's important to know how to cook because it will help many people in the future and
Okay.
you can become a chef.
Okay, that's good. Now, please tell me, you can help many people in the future and you can become a chef. That's quite funny, but that's a very good answer. Well done, Ollie. Now, Ollie, please tell me, can chores help children to be healthier? Can chores help
Uh,
children to be healthier?
yes, chores can help children be healthier because when children clean their floor, you you step man you go many steps on the floor. It can help children healthier.
Okay, so because when you're doing the chores, you walk a lot, right?
Yes,
And walking is exercising, right?
yes,
Okay, so you can say, because when you are doing the chores, you are moving from one place to the other, and that keeps children health. That makes children healthy.
healthier.
Say it, Holly.
Because when you are doing the chores, you are moving from one place to the other, and that makes children healthy.
Okay, that's good. That's good, Ollie. Now, please tell me, Andy, Can chores help children to be healthier? Can chores help children to be healthier, Andy?
Yes. Depend.
How?
Because when you are doing the toy, you are moving from one place to the children, and that makes children
That makes children
children healthy.
healthy. Okay, that's
Yes.
good. Now, Andy, please tell me, do you think doing chores is more important than studying school subjects?
No, I think
No, you think what?
because studying school subjects is make me uh some practical skill in the future.
Because studying school subject does what?
Uh, because study subjects at school is study subject in the school is a practical skill that I can use in the future.
Okay, studying school subject is not a practical skills. Doing chores is a practical skill. So you should say, because school subjects can help me, or school subjects will will be useful to me in the future. Say it, Andy.
Yes, because school subject will be useful to me in the future.
Okay, so that's because you said school subject is more important than doing chores. Andy, Ollie, please tell me, do you think school subject is more important than doing chores, Ollie?
Um, yes, I think studying school subjects is more important than doing chores because when you study in school subject, you can become a worker and have money every month. But when you doing just when you become adult, you can you can work. You can become a worker.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Ollie always has very, very good ideas. So, Ollie, you should say, because school subject will be useful to me in the future.
Because school subject will be useful to me in the future.
Okay. Okay, now, Ollie, please tell me, how often should children do the chores each week?
I think it should from 2, 3 to 7 days in a week. 7 times a week.
Say it again, Ollie.
Mm, Children should do the chores 7 times a week. Mm,
Okay. Now I want you to say, I do chores 7 times a week. Say it, Ollie. I usually do chores 7 times
a week.
a week. Say it, Ollie.
I usually do chores 7 times a week.
A week. Okay. Andy, what about you? How often do you do chores each week?
Yes,
How often do you do chores each week, Andy?
every day.
Every day?
Yes,
So I want you to say, I usually do chores every day. Okay, wait, hold on. Now I want you to
I
say,
usually
I usually
I,
do my chores every day. Say it, Andy.
I usually do my chores every day.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so now we'll move to the debate part. So we're going to do one of the debates, then we'll end the class. Please tell me, Andy, Korean parents should make their children do the chores at home. Do you agree or disagree? Korean parents should make their children do the chores at home. Do you agree or disagree, Andy?
Mm, I don't agree
Okay, why do you disagree?
because the homework is easy.
Listen, Korean children should make their children do the chores at home. Why are you talking
Me,
about homework here?
me,
You said you agree. That means you should say why Korean parents want their children to do chores.
me, me, me.
Okay, Ollie, try. Tell us the answer. What is it? Korean parents should make their children do the chores at home. Do you agree or
I agree.
disagree?
I agree because
Okay.
it helps the children healthier.
Okay, that is good, but your English is not correct. You should say, I agree because it makes the children healthier and also helps them develop practical skills.
Skill.
Okay, read what I wrote, Andy. Ollie.
Yes, I agree because it makes the children healthier and develop practical skills.
Okay, Andy, what about you? Read what I wrote.
I agree is make the children healthy or also and also help them develop practical skills.
Okay, that's good. So, for your homework, I want the two of you to make a video debating if children should do chores every day. You either agree or disagree. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll stop here and I will see the two of you.
Teacher,
Yes,
I
Andy?
have a question for you.
Okay, please ask.
What is your favorite Vietnamese food? Do you like it?
Okay, I think my favorite Vietnamese food is spring rolls. Do you know spring
Yes.
roll?
Yes.
Okay, I like spring roll.
Dạ dò.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Is that all? Do you have more questions?
No.
Okay. Andy, do you have any question? Okay, bye, students. Bye.
Bye
Goodbye,
teacher.
teacher.